I think she's getting tired. Are you tired? Look at her. Why are you walking like that? Why is she walking like that? Hey, why are you walking like that? Hmm?
Are you shopping? Come to Grandpa. Come on, let's go. We gotta check out. Come on.
Look at her, girl. She's being silly. Look at her.
Come on. Are you shopping? Come on.
After shopping, the day of shopping, look at her. Elena, what is wrong with you? You're gonna crash. Watch. You're gonna crash. But honey, what is she doing? Honey, look at me.
Are you shopping? Elena?
She's tired.
Are you shopping? Should we go over to this lady over here and go shop and give her a check out? Huh? Maybe we
Go.
check out here.
Hello,
Check out
Grandpa.
here? I mean, he's there. Just...
Let's go over here, girl.
Okay,
Just
we'll go over here.
come on, Elena.
Oh, we're in over here. Come on, let's go shopping. Come on, over here.
Come on, Elena.
Come on, over here.